Welcome guys. So last lecture we have seen if else and nested if else condition. Okay, in this lecture we'll see switch. Okay, so first let's go to the theory part, what is switch, and we'll try to understand, analyze, okay, what is switch. Okay, so switch statement. So if one or two condition will be there, we can use if else, no problem at all, right? But if we have more than 100 and 200 condition, okay, then it will be very much problem writing if else, if else, if else. Okay, so in that case we will go for what, switch statement. So switch statement, how it will work. So switch statement execute one statement from multiple condition. So if you want to give multiple condition and run only one scenario, we can go for if else, but it will be very much lengthy. So go for what, switch statement. So switch statement will provide flexibility to run or execute one statement by referring to multiple condition. So that's how easy it is. Okay, so basic syntax we'll see, and don't worry, we'll execute, we'll see practically how it will work so that it will be very easy for you. So as of now I'll explain the syntax. So syntax will be switch, expression we can give, or condition, you can say that whatever condition you want. Then we can give the multiple cases as per the expression. If you are giving integer expression, you have to pass integer. If you are giving a string expression, you have to pass a string. Then we can give code whatever you want, then break a statement. Okay, and at last we have one default, in which if nothing, none of it, and if the condition will not match with none of these cases, then what you want to print you can put inside default. Okay, so let's see with real-time example. Okay, so let's do it. So I'll create one class for switch statement, switch test, simple. So I'll take one main method to execute. Perfect. Now I'll write the syntax first. So what is the syntax? So switch, then condition, okay, or else by default Eclipse will give for you switch control space. So switch statement will come control and space. Okay, so I'll just enter. So see, by default it is giving what, key value break default, like that. Okay, so here you can give like anything, whatever you want it you can give. Okay, so if I'll give true here, so it will be always true. Here you can give true and false. Okay, here you can give true, false. Okay, but let me give a real-time example. Okay, suppose I'll give int is, or leave that, int experience is equal to 2. Okay, here I'll pass the experience. So experience here will come what, 2. Here also it will come 2. Okay, very simple one it is. Value also you have to pass like integer only, because you are passing integer. So here case you can to pass 1. Okay, multiple cases you can pass. So here this is first case, I can write multiple cases now. Okay, multiple cases I can write as per my requirement. Case 1, case 2, case 3, and case 4. Perfect. So let me arrange this so that it will look good. Fine. So that's how it will be. Okay, so break by default it will give. Okay, if it will not give break, it will print, if condition will be true, it will print for all. Okay, so let me write something here. Okay, so here I'll write, okay, you are not eligible, you are not eligible. Okay, here I'll print you are eligible for L1. Okay, here if you have experience of 3 year, you are eligible for L2, and here if you have experience 4 year, you are eligible for L3 post. Default I want to print something. If you'll give other than 1, 2, 3, 4 year experience, I want to print you are not allowed. Simple, you are not allowed. So Java is very easy, you can play around however you want. Okay, so here I have passed the expression, okay, like experience, so it will come 2. So first it will come case 1. So if it is 1, so it will come here, so you are not eligible, but I'm passing 2, so it will come here 2, and it will part you are eligible for L1. That's all, and it will break. If I'll not give break statement, it will keep continue. It will go to the next line, the next line, the next line, right? So better always give break. Okay, so let me explain you practically. So I'll not give break statement. I'll not give any break statement. Okay, fine. I'll not give any break statement. I'll save it. Now if I'll run this, so condition first it will come. How it will work? So experience is equal to 2. 2 will come here. So it will come first here. So 1 is equal to 2. No. So it will not come here. Okay. It will come to the next case. 2 matches, right? So it will come here. It will print you are eligible for L1. Perfect. Now since I have not given break, it will go and irrespective of condition is true and false, it will print all. It will print all. Let me execute it. So see, once as soon as condition is true, after that it will not check whether condition is true or false. It will print everything, which is not a correct behavior. So that's why if you are using switch condition, you should always use break. So if condition is true, you have to break immediately from that particular point. Okay, it should not go to the next line. So now if I'll run, I'll get only one output called you are eligible for L1 because I'm passing 2 here, it will come here. So it is 2, no, it will come here 2, yes. So you are eligible for L1. Then break it, come out from the loop, simple. If I'll pass here 3, so it will come here, not matching, 3 matching. So it will print you are eligible for L2 and immediately break it. So that's all. I'll get you are eligible for L2. So you are eligible for L2. Similarly next. Okay. Now this is simple switch condition. Now we'll see nested switch. Okay, nested switch. So I can write technology. So this is one of the example which I have explained you. So let keep this example aside and we'll try with different examples. So I'll just copy once again for you so that it will be backup for you. So I'll write /* enter */ simple. I'll copy this. Okay, I'll share. Now this time I want 2 variables. Okay, I'll take one more string. I'll pass technology. Technology is equal to, I can pass something, right? I'll pass suppose manual tester or automation tester. Okay, whatever. So I'll pass automation. Okay, now this technology I can pass here also. So I'll pass here technology. Okay, so technology will come here. So now if you see by default all the cases become red because we have passed integer, but technology is what? Integer, string, right? So you need to pass a string here. Okay, so now I'll pass here as automation. Okay, automation, and you have to pass in string means double quote, it should be simple. Here you can pass manual. Okay, so I'll take only 2 as of now. Okay, no need to go for deep. I'll try multiple. You are not allowed. So either manual or automation tester we are hiding. Okay, now inside case we can have multiple cases again switch condition I can take. Okay, so I'll take another switch. This is nested switch I'm talking about. Okay, switch. Now it will be having multiple cases, so I'll take here experience this time. So now this experience will come here, so 3 here. Okay, so again here we'll be having cases. So case 1 I can print here. Okay, here you are not eligible. So if you have automation, okay, and 3-year experience, okay, 1-year experience, you are not eligible. Okay, but if you have automation and experience of 3 years, then only you are eligible. Okay, so this code will, how it will work, technology will come here, automation. Okay, so it will go automation here, yes, it will go inside, and then now it will check experience. So experience is 1, so you are not eligible. Experience is 2, you are not eligible. Experience is 3, you are not eligible. So like that, I'll just write it down. 1 minute. So I'll write it down in a very simple way. So this is not required every time, just leave that. So I'll just write it down. So this is 1 year, I'll write here 2 year, and here I'll write here 3 year, because whatever data type you'll pass, it should have, the cases will be having the same thing. Okay, and this is not required. Okay, you are eligible, I want, right? So this time I will write you are eligible. Okay, so now I want to check the condition, like if a person is applying for a job who is having 3-year experience in automation, then only he is allowed, or else it is not allowed. So how it will work? So again, here I have to give, break condition. I have forget to give break. I have to give every time. Okay, so if you are using switch condition, switch, you should always give, break, or else it will keep continuing. Once the condition will be true, it will keep, printing this. Yes, so it will come here, first technology I'm passing, so automation will come here. It will come, yes, it will match automation. Now it will go inside. So again, switch I have, where I'm checking the experience. So experience I have passed 3 years, so 3 will come here. Case first, 3 is there, no, it will not go inside. 3 is there, yes, no, it's not there, right? So it will not go. Yes, 3 is there, yes, so you are eligible. So now I'll get the output call, you are eligible. So just check the output, yes, you are eligible. Okay, if I'll pass 4, see what will happen. So whatever I want I can give you. Okay, so I'll pass 4, okay, so I'll get you are overqualified, you are over eligible, something you can write whatever you want. Okay, you are over eligible. Okay, because I'm hiring for 3 year, you are having automation also, but you are having 4 year, right? So you are overqualified, you can write like that. So I'm passing now 4, so it will go and it will print this over eligible. So see, multiple condition, but I'm printing only one statement. I'm executing only one statement, but multiple condition I'm checking, right? Okay. Now, if it is manual, okay, if it is a manual, I'll just pass here manual. So directly I'll write, okay, you are not eligible. Okay, you are not eligible for, like what it is happening nowadays. So if you are manual tester only, you don't know automation, they will directly tell, okay, no, you are not hiring, right? So if you are a manual tester, so it will go first, technology is what, manual, automation it will not go because it is manual. So it will come to this case, manual, yes, so it will print directly out, you are not eligible. I'll print that you are not eligible, simple. If I'll pass some different technology like database, so it will not match only either of the cases, right? So it will go default, you are not allowed. This is how switch condition works. So that's all about the switch condition and nested switch condition. Okay, thanks for watching. So see you in the next.